Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you in 5 minutes remove unwanted body hair naturally with very simple ingredients. It's a hair removal at home without any wax or without pain. It's super effective and super helpful in getting rid of any unwanted hair naturally, and the hair will grow thin. Every time you use this remedy, the hair will fall off naturally and you will get the hair to be weak and fuzz, and it's not gonna grow back again. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and aloe vera gel will moisture the area and will leave your skin naturally moisturized. Then we need 1 lemon, and we need to add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Then we need to add half teaspoon of baking soda, and you cannot use baking powder in this because it's not gonna work the same. Once we mixed all the ingredients like so, with an aid of cotton ball, dip in the cotton ball and apply it on the unwanted hair like so. Keep massaging your skin for 5 minutes until you'll find all the unwanted hair removed permanently. If the hair is so thick, you need to repeat this 2 times a week to get rid permanently of the unwanted hair and to get young naturally skin without any unwanted hair. This is super effective remedy and super helpful. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.